this is Tasmai and you are watching Tasmai Madhavi YouTube channel. In this video, we will see lesson number 1, Rational and Irrational Numbers, part 4, practice set 1.4. In the next part, we will see the test of this lesson, so be prepared for that. I can ask any question. That test will be for 15 marks. So let's see what is irrational numbers. In addition to rational numbers, there are many more numbers on a number line. They are not rational numbers. That is, they are called irrational numbers. Root 2 is such a irrational number. This is also an important point that root 2 is an irrational number. This can come in your exam that which is the irrational numbers like that. So now let's move to the practice set 1.4. Our first question is the number root 2 is shown on the number line. Steps are given to show root 3 on the number line using root 2. Filling the boxes properly and complete the activity. Complete the boxes properly and complete that. This question means that there will be a number line of a root 2. For that there will be given root 3's. How to show root 3 on the number line using root 2. By that we have to fill in the boxes properly and complete the activity. So this is the solution. This is the activity first. So here's the diagram as you can see. Here is the root 2 and here is the root 3. So now let's see what's the activity. The point Q on the number line shows the number root 2. As you can see, Q, this is the filling the blanks from your textbook of your practice set. You have to fill it as root 2. As you can see, Q represents the Q root 2 number. Next, a line perpendicular to the number line is drawn through the point Q. As you can see, there is a perpendicular drawn from the Q. Point R is at unit distance from Q on the number line. See, this R is at the equal distance to this one. Right angled triangle ORQ. ORQ is obtained by drawing segment QOR. First, line OQ is equals to root 2 and line QR is 1 cm. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, line OR square is equals to OQ square plus QR square. In short, that is Pythagoras theorem we have learned in 7th standard. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. So these are the boxes as you can see. So I have filled it up. So first, root line OR square means this OR. It is written over here QR OR sorry OR is root. So here come root 2 square. Next, OQ is 1. As here you can see, here is given 1 and it's square, base square. Next, when root 2 square is there, it comes the answer as 2 and 1 square is 1. Next, 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, QR is 3. OR is 3. Draw an arc with center O. Draw an arc with center O. Like this, they have told to draw an arc. The point C shows the root 3. So this, after drawing arc, you will get the point C, that is root 3. Now let's this root 3 is given, therefore OR is root 3. Next, second question. Show root 5 on number line. So Here's the number line. Draw a number line as shown in the figure. This number line you have to draw. Let the point O represent 0, means this point represents 0, and the Q represents 2, means this Q represents 2. Draw perpendicular QR at Q on the number line such that QR is equals to 1 unit. See, as you can see, it comes 1 unit. 1 unit how to take? We have to measure the distance from 0 to 1, and from the Q point we have to make a arc over there, and that point will be your R. Join OR. As you can see here, joint OR. Triangle OQR is a right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, we have OR square is equals to OQ square plus QR square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. So 2 square of 2 plus square of 1, that's 4 plus 1. 2 square is 4 and the 1 square is 1. After that, 4 plus 1 is 5, and then therefore OR is equals to root 5. So how root 5? Let us explain. Let me explain you. So how this come root 5? Here it's 5, then after how it comes root 5. So before this equals to sign there is OR square. It's square. The square has not gone. So when we are changing the square on on a equation, after the equal to sign, it comes to a square root. Means therefore OR, the square of OR will gone and it will comes to the 5. Therefore OR is equals to root 5. Taking O as the center, taking O as the center and radius OR is equals to root 5. Draw an arc cutting the number line at C. So see, we have to draw a number, cut the arc like this, and this point at the C will represent root 5. Clearly, OC is equals to OR, that is also equals to root 5. Hence, C represents root 5 on the number line. Now let's move to the last question of lesson number 1. Show root 7 on number line. This question is reduced. As you can see in your textbook, there will be a site before this third question. So now let's solve this question. So as you can see here, I have drawn the diagram. I have not written the statements because that statements represents how to solve it. Now you have understand, that's why I have not done. So now let me explain you how we have to do. First, we have to take O as a center. Now from B, we have to take 1 unit as A is 1 and B is 2. Now we will take the rounder at B, take the distance, measure the distance of AB, and from the point B, make a arc over here. So your arc will, like, 1 second, let me show you. Your arc will form on this side. Wait, let me change the ink. Your arc will form here at the C. This AB is also equals to BC. After that, we have to take the O from this O point. This is also 0. From this 0, now we have to make a line, draw a line till here from the C. Now we have drawn the line. How we have done it the second question to show root 5. Say we have done to show the root 5 first. So this is the root 5. How we have make a arc? Taken this much distance and make a R from it. So the point D represents root 5. Now next, how to show root 6 with the help of root 5. Again, we will take the rounder at O. From this point, we will draw an arc. So it will come F point. It will form, we have named it as F. So that's why the point F is also equals to the, sorry, the point, F is also equals to root 6. Now, how to show root 7? So, the main question here, root 7 on number line. Now, with the help of this two, we will show h is equals to root 7. Now, take the rounder at O point. Take how much long you want, not how much long. You have to measure the distance O till F, and from that distance, you have to make a arc. And after drawing a arc on the number line, here we will get h point, which is also equals to the root 7. With this, we have proved that h is also equals to root 7. I hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, and stay tuned.